Page 69, Largo, from Dvorak's New World Symphony, a very famous melody in E major. It's a slow piece, common timer 4/4 time, a lot of dotted rhythms. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. As long as you keep that going, you'll be all right. Look at the third measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Well, hopefully that's not a problem. If it is, you may need to go back and start the book again, and because everything we're covering is very important that you get. So please don't just rush through the book in a hurry to get through it because you're in a hurry to learn to play the piano. It doesn't work. In the left hand, we have the primary chords, because if you take all the notes in the first measure together, it's a 1 chord. It's not the way they have it, it's a broken chord here. Still a 1 chord. 5/7 chord. The second line is a little different, because in the second measure you have the 1 chord. It's an augmented chord. I won't go into it. It's just you're raising the top note a half step. That sounds wonderful. And then the next measure, the 4 chord, and then come back down on the top. Just add some color to the harmony is what he's done. Just as long as you're aware it's there, it's not a problem. But if you weren't aware it's there, it could catch you off guard. I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's try this out slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. So the right hand is here. Left hand's here. All right. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and